More news coming in at this point in time. Let's take a look at these developments. Union Minister has mocked Kanhaiya Kumar's candidature. Giriraj Singh has said Congress is running out of Lok Sabha candidates. No candidate can defeat Manoj Tiwari. Kanhaiya versus Manoj Tiwari in Northeast Delhi, and the BJP has criticized this move of the Congress for giving him, Kanhaiya Kumar, a ticket this time around.
देखिए, कांग्रेस के पास उम्मीदवार की कमी है, चेहरे की कमी है, तो जितने रिजेक्टेड हैं उन सबको लेके झुनझुना बजा रहा है और जिसको जहां लड़ना चाहे लड़ाए। दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं कि कोई मनोज तिवारी को हरा दे।
So Giriraj Singh, they're criticizing the move of the Congress party for fielding Kanhaiya Kumar from Northeast Delhi against Manoj Tiwari. Remember, this is in fact a seat that has got a heavy presence of Purvanchali. And Kanhaiya Kumar himself, a Purvanchali, is contesting against BJP's Manoj Tiwari. Aditya is getting us more details. Aditya, essentially, we know that Kanhaiya Kumar lost out in Begusarai in the year 2019. The BJP here says that it looks like the Congress is really running out of options and they had absolutely no one. So they fielded Kanhaiya Kumar against Manoj Tiwari. This defeat is in fact writ large.
Well, exactly. As far as the Union Minister Giriraj Singh is concerned, of course, he has made a scathing attack on Congress as far as the alleged dearth of candidates is concerned. And of course, he's not mincing words. He has categorically said that be it Kanhaiya or anybody else, Manoj Tiwari is set to win as far as this Lok Sabha elections is concerned. But then interesting to note here is the fact that Kanhaiya was fielded from Begusarai during the last elections where he had to face defeat at the hands of Union Minister Giriraj Singh himself, who has now come up with the latest statement after his candidature. Kanhaiya Kumar's candidature has been announced by the Congress from Delhi.
All right, I'm going to ask you to be with us. Aditya Vaibhav getting asked those details as far as the criticism from Giriraj Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. More news coming in. The JDU is also taunting Kanhaiya Kumar's candidature. RJD sidelined Kanhaiya from Begusarai. Congress can't smile or groan without Lalu's permission, says the JDU here.
स्वाभाविक है, माननीय लालू प्रसाद जी की जो राजनीति में अपने पुत्र के लिए प्रेम, तो माननीय पप्पू यादव जी को कांग्रेस में शामिल होने के पूर्व उनसे मिल लेते हैं, लेकिन टिकट से बेदखल कर दिए जाते हैं। कन्हैया कुमार 2019 के लोकसभा चुनाव बेगूसराय से लड़ते हैं, लेकिन राजद उनके खिलाफ प्रत्याशी देता है, क्योंकि लालू प्रसाद की यह स्पष्ट समझ है कि हमारे पुत्र के सामने दूसरा कोई व्यक्ति राजनीति में टिक नहीं पाए।
Aditya is getting asked more details. Aditya, in fact, this announcement by the Congress has led to a series of reactions coming in, saying that Kanhaiya Kumar was actually first sidelined because Lalu's love for his son was more than that for Kanhaiya Kumar.
Well, exactly. As far as the NDA and particularly the JDU is concerned, of course, the JDU has launched a very pinpointed, sharp attack on RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav after Kanhaiya Kumar was given a ticket, Lok Sabha ticket from Delhi. And interesting to note here is the fact that, not mincing words, categorically he went with point-to-point rebuttals, mentioning how Kanhaiya was sidelined during the last Lok Sabha elections and also how Pappu Yadav was sidelined for Purnia constituency, after which he had to actually file for an independent candidature. But then, interesting to note here is the fact that the statement categorically highlighted the fact that the Lalu Yadav is trying to safeguard the political future of his son, Tejasvi Yadav.
Thanking you for the moment for getting us those details, Aditya Vaibhav, with that report as far as the buzz around Kanhaiya Kumar's candidature from North East Delhi is concerned.